Hi, I'm Marissa Boone with Rebecca Steves Realty, and today we're visiting 8 Caleah Lane, a gorgeous new construction home in Hanwell, New Brunswick. Let's take a look. From the foyer, find an open concept great room hosting the kitchen, dining, and living room. In the kitchen, enjoy high-end finishes by Kitchen Creations. The crisp white shiplap walls, upper cabinets, and quartz countertops are complemented by handsome black lower cabinets. The kitchen also features a large island with breakfast bar, plus stainless steel appliances, and a farmhouse-style apron sink. Patio doors off the living room lead to the private treed backyard. This spacious home boasts 10-foot ceilings, large windows, a forced-air heat pump, and quality finishes. And a powder room is conveniently located near the main living area. Next is the primary bedroom with a walk-in closet and gorgeous ensuite bathroom. This spa-like oasis boasts a double vanity, a clawfoot soaker tub, and a walk-in shower. This level also features a formal dining room, currently used as a home office. And down the hall, find access to the attached 2-car garage plus under-stair storage. Next, head upstairs to find a large family room, followed by an even bigger multi-purpose space, perfect for a rec room, media room, workout space, and more. Whether you're entertaining, seeking additional storage, or having family time, this space offers many possibilities. From here, there are 4 more bedrooms, one with its own ensuite bathroom. Another full bathroom and a laundry closet complete this level. Thanks for watching. For more information, visit realtor.ca.